Welcome back to the channel.
It is officially summertime in Florida, and what I mean by that is it is extremely hot. We've had the top back with no gear shade on, working on our tan, but we're to the point now where if we leave the top down without any shade, we're gonna be red like a lobster, and we don't want that. But thankfully, Gearshade reached out to me about a month ago and said, hey Krista, would you like a personalized gear shade for Buttercup? And I'm like, heck yeah. So we are gonna put on our new gear shade, but check it out.
Actually, Mom, you're not in this video.
What do you mean?
It's a kid takeover video.
A kid takeover video. It looks like I'm gonna have to hand over the camera to these guys and they're gonna take over. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because we have a special promo code that Gearshade has extended to our viewers.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
First thing you have to do is install your bungees to the Gearshade.
So right now we're going to walk over to the Bronco to strap it on.
On our old Gearshade, it did not require this bungee holder right here. It required a bungee holder here. But since then, things have changed. So we need to move this one up here. But instead of moving this one up here, we just installed another bungee holder. That way we have this one installed for our old Gearshade.
Now attach the bungees to the holders.
Okay, so now you gotta clip the bungees.
Yay!
They needed some help snapping this to the back. I'm not quite strong enough. So are we done?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
Okay, we got it installed now. We're going to make Mom go take us for a drive.
The Munchkins want to go for a Bronco ride. The Munchkins get to go for a Bronco ride because we all know it doesn't take a lot to talk me into something like that. Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but it's a huge temperature difference.
Yes, love it.
Now we have to worry about being lobsters.
I love it. I love the green color. It matches like perfectly with the Bronco wrap. I love it.
I like how it's like kind of like a trampoline fabric.
Don't jump on it though. Gearshade is doing something super cool for Buckle Up Buttercup viewers, and they are offering a 10% off promo code. Use code Buttercup on their website. I'll put the link to their website in the description below, but 10%, this is not common for them to do. So they really love the Buckle Up Buttercup fans. So if you don't have one, get one. I love it. I have had my other one for about a year. This one, obviously, I just got. Very happy with my Gearshade. If you live anywhere where it's sunny, even in the summer, it does make a huge difference in the temperature. So use code Buttercup to save you 10% and get yourself one. Well, they got it installed. I don't think they did too bad for their first kid takeover video. How do you guys like the Gearshade?
It's awesome.
I really like it. Yeah.
It's super cool. I love it that Buttercup just keeps getting more personalized. And actually, she's gonna get even more personalized here in the next couple of weeks. But my lips are sealed. You're gonna have to wait for that video, so be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video, follow us on all the social medias. If you wanna support us by contributing, you can find us on Patreon or make a donation on our website. And be sure to check out our website, buckleupbuttercuptv.com, because we have promo codes and all kinds of other cool stuff. So until next time, guys,
Buckle up!